Have you ever accidentally deleted an important task in Asana and panicked, thinking it's gone forever? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted tasks in Asana, step by step, so you never lose track of your work again. First, start by logging into your Asana account. Head to the login page, enter your email, click Continue, then type in your password and log in. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you're at the central hub where all your tasks and projects live. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and select Advanced Search. This feature is key because it allows you to dig deeper and locate tasks that are no longer visible. In the Advanced Search menu, set your filters carefully. Choose Tasks. As the item type, set the location to Anywhere, so Asana searches across all projects and workspaces. And most importantly, change the status filter to Deleted. This tells Asana to show all tasks that have been removed. Click the Search button and you'll see a list of deleted tasks. Scroll through and find the task you want to restore. Once you've located it, click on the task, then look for the trash bin icon. This is your key to recovery. Click it, and your task is immediately restored to its original project with all information intact. And that's it. Recovering deleted tasks in Asana is that simple. Once you know where to go and which options to select, you'll never have to worry about losing important work again. I hope this guide helps you save time and stress in managing your projects. If you found this video useful, make sure to try it out next time you need a task restored.